Woohoo! Hello, sports fans! Welcome back to Paws for English. I am Amber, and today I am wearing my favorite sweatband. Why? Because it's the weekend, and we are talking about sports.
Good morning. I am Aaron. Amber, you haven't moved from that rug in 3 hours. Wearing a sweatband does not make you an athlete.
It's about the spirit, Aaron, the spirit. Today, we are helping our listeners learn how to talk about their favorite weekend activities, whether you are a pro or just a bench warmer.
A bench warmer, for our listeners, is a player who sits on the bench and doesn't get to play much. A very useful term for your football skills, Amber.
Hey, I'm a star player in my dreams. Anyway, let's start with a big grammar rule. Aaron, when do we use play, do, or go with sports?
This is a classic mistake. Here is the simple guide. Play is for team sports or games with a ball. Go is for activities ending in ing. Do is for individual sports or martial arts.
Oh, so I go chasing squirrels, but I play fetch?
Exactly. Though squirrel chasing isn't an Olympic sport yet.
Speaking of go, I love to go swimming at the lake. I do a great doggy paddle. Aaron, do you ever go swimming on the weekend?
Absolutely not. The idea of going swimming is a nightmare for a cat. We prefer to stay dry. However, I am a very fast runner when I hear the can opener.
So you prefer land sports. I like both. But if I had to choose a team sport, it would definitely be soccer, or football, as they say in the UK.
A wise choice. Soccer is much drier than a lake, and it involves a lot of teamwork.
When people watch sports on the weekend, they usually go to a stadium or a court. Aaron, what's the difference?
A stadium is for big sports like soccer or baseball. A court is for tennis or basketball. And if you are just watching, you are a spectator or a fan.
I'm a huge fan of dinner time. But back to sports. What if the score is 1-1 at the end of the game?
That is called a tie or a draw. No one wins and no one loses. It is quite civilized.
Boring. I like a victory, and I love a comeback. That's when a team is losing, but then they play amazing and win at the very last second.
Welcome to the Community Sports Center. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to get active this weekend. What sports do you offer for beginners?
We have a beginner-friendly tennis clinic on Saturday mornings and a recreational soccer league on Sunday. Are you looking to join a team?
I'd love to join the soccer league. Is there a membership fee?
It's $20 for the season. That covers the equipment and the referee fees. Do you have your own cleats?
Cleats? Oh, you mean the shoes with the little spikes on the bottom? No, I need to buy some. Do I need a uniform?
Aaron, we provide a jersey, but you should bring your own shin guards for safety. Would you like to sign up?
Sign me up. I'm ready to give it my best shot. Aaron, my favorite part, sports idioms. I hear people say, the ball is in your court all the time. Does that mean we are playing tennis?
Not usually. It means it is your turn to make a decision or take action. For example, I sent him the contract, so now the ball is in his court.
I like that. What about a whole new ball game?
That means a completely different situation. If you move from playing in your backyard to playing in a professional stadium, that is a whole new ballgame.
And one more. Get the ball rolling.
That means to start something, like let's get the ball rolling on this project.
Some people don't like competitive sports. They just want to stay in shape or work out.
Yes, you might go to the gym to lift weights or do cardio. Cardio is exercise that makes your heart beat faster.
My cardio is jumping every time the doorbell rings.
Truly an elite athlete. Listeners, we hope this helps you talk about your weekend plans.
Thanks for tuning in to Paws for English. Go get some exercise, learn some new words, and stay positive. Woohoo!
Goodbye. I'm going to go do nothing.